Good day everyone! This video is about my assignment in Pag-unawa sa Sarili, and my chosen perspective is about sociology. It discusses how society and social structures influence the self. Sociology examines how society and its structures shape individual identities. Like socialization, this is the lifelong process through which individuals learn the norms, values, beliefs, and behaviors of their society. Family, education, peer groups, and media are all agents of socialization. Through socialization, we internalize societal expectations and develop a sense of self that aligns with those expectations. Example, a child learning table manners at home or the importance of teamwork in schoolworks. So, yun pong mga bata na nag-aaral is na-apply nila yung mga natututunan nila in terms of teamwork then sa mga groups of activities sa school nila. Next is about the social roles. These are sets of expected behaviors associated with particular social positions. For example, is student, parent, and employee. Then adopting social roles shapes our self-perception and how we interact with others. We often act in a ways that fulfill the expectations associated with our roles. I have an example about social roles. Students striving for high grades to meet academic expectations or a parent prioritizing their child's needs over their own. So, itong social roles na ito, parang meron kang mas pinahahalagahan. Always na iniisip mo na parang meron kang goal na dapat siniset mo, then kailangan mo siyang ma-achieve over dun sa goals na hindi naman siya necessary. Parang you have certain goals na mas kailangan na pa-priority yung pinaka-necessary na goals mo. Next is social groups and networks. Our membership in various groups like family, friends, or work, colleagues, clubs influences our self-concept. The values and norms of these groups shape our beliefs and behaviors, and our social networks provide a framework for understanding our place in society, our relationships with others. Example is an individual sense of belonging and identity within a religious community or a sports team. So, itong social groups and networks, ito yung